Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make a perfect double bow. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, thank you for stopping by, and do not leave without subscribing to this channel. Also, do what to like this video, give me a thumbs up. Then let's continue into this video. So for the bigger bow, I'm using the measurement 23 inches by 14, while for the smaller bow I'm using measurement 15 inches by 14, and I'll add this crinoline to it. The crinoline is measuring about 6 1/4 inches. So what I'll do is to fold my fabric in half like this and sew down with half-inch seam allowance. So I'll do the same thing for both. So with half-inch seam allowance. So after sewing it, I'm turning it inside out. Now make sure that the joining falls at the midpoint, not at the side. It should fall at the midpoint. Yeah. I'll do the same for the shorter parts. Turn it inside out as well. After this, all I need to do is to iron it first. Iron it, then put my crinoline inside. After that, I'll just sew it down. The next thing that I'll be doing is to fold it in half like so and sew it half in sewing allowance. I'll do the same for the longer parts, for the longer bow. After that, all I just need to do is to open up this joining like so, and then top stitch. So the part I top stitch is looking neat and beautiful. So I also top stitch for the second bow. I'll iron my bow and ensure that it's flattened. Then at that midpoint where I ironed, I'll make sure that it aligns with the joining at the back. I'll make sure that both aligns together like so. I will take my smaller bow and do the same as well. So I can either decide to place it on top of each other, sew it down with the sewing machine before I do my pleats like so. But for this video I want to do it individually, so I'm going to plait the bigger bow separately and I'll plait the smaller bow separately, after which I'll place them on each other, and that's my bow. So you can do whichever one you feel like doing. So I'm going to plait my bow like so. I'll plait it from the ending part. I'll plait at the middle, and I also plait at this upper side as well. I will take my thread as thick as this. I'm going to tie it round like so. So for my smaller bow, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to plait it like so. After which I'll also take my thread to tie it up. So all I need to do now is to take my smaller bow and place it on top of the bigger bow. Then my bow looks good already. I'm sure you like it. So I'll take another thread and use it to tie both together. My double bow looks good already. So I'll take a piece of embellishment and use it to wrap around where my thread is. Just make it more beautiful. So I'll just take my glue gun. So my bow looks good already. Looks beautiful. If you want to like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, because I'm sure that you found this video very helpful. Then lastly, the next thing I'm doing is to attach bow to this part. So I have a video on how to make a perfect bow. In that video I showed how to attach your press button. So let's check it out if you need to. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.